This evening, it's going to be milder temperatures near 61 around first pitch. Keep in mind, yesterday it was down to 54. We'll still have a light breeze, and for the late innings, near 60 degrees. There's a small opportunity for a stray sprinkle, but really not enough to cause any kind of delay for the game. For us this morning, a wide range in temperatures. We have the 30s, 40s, even the 50s. In the city, it's 54 degrees, but for portions of the Hudson Valley in New Jersey, you're below freezing. It's 31 in Sussex, 32 in Morristown, and 54 degrees in Bridgeport. Today, a few degrees warmer, a high of 64, and we'll have more clouds mixing in with sunshine and a chance for a sprinkle south and east of the city. Tonight, a stray shower is possible north of the city. But look at tomorrow, mainly dry and a high of 73. We get close to the 80s for Halloween. Heather?
All right, so take a look. 29th, if anybody could, I know it's the Yanks. I'm Shirley Nellicott.
They just want to create the dramatics, you know? They want us on the edge of our seats. That's what it is.
That's what that
Good morning, everybody. I'm Marza. Thanks so much for watching on all of our platforms, including Hulu Live TV.
You're never more than 7 minutes away from weather and traffic. Heather is standing by with the conditions on the roads, but let's go to you, Brittany, and that AccuWeather forecast. How's it looking?
And we're in for some small changes, more cloud cover and slightly milder temperatures in the low to mid 60s. It's 54 in Central Park with partly cloudy skies, but areas north and west are down into the 30s. Sussex 31 for you, 37 in Poughkeepsie. It's even 39 degrees in Belmar and 54 in Bridgeport. Partly cloudy in the city with more cloud cover for spots south and east. Those are the same areas that could see a stray sprinkle throughout this afternoon, but overall it stays mainly dry with temperatures topping out near 64. Tomorrow, get ready for the lower 70s and we get closer to the 80s for Halloween. Heather?
All right, Brittany, so we are going to zoom into Newark Airport because that's where we do have a crash. It's on the New Jersey Turnpike car lanes north of exit 13A. You can see how busy this is. Not only is it an accident, there's also an overturned vehicle involved in this. So again, this is in the car lanes, so that's the inner roadway. Go with the truck lanes, the outer roadway if you can do that. Or you can always go to routes 1 and 9. That's another way to get around this problem without getting caught in a massive delay. But you can see this is a pretty strong scene here with all of this emergency activity. Alternate side of the street parking rules are in effect. Mike, over to you.
Heather and Brittany, thank you. 4:30.
Jacket for the game tonight compared to yesterday because temperatures are milder, 61 degrees for first pitch, more cloud cover, and we'll still hold on to light southeast winds up to 5 to 10 miles per hour. Even for the late innings, down into the upper 50s and the lower 60s. But this morning, it is chilly in some areas. We have the 30s and the 40s outside of the city. It's down to 31 in Sussex, Morristown 32 for you, and Toms River below freezing at 30 degrees. But throughout this afternoon, a few degrees milder compared to yesterday, 64, and we'll have more clouds mixing in with sunshine, even a chance for a sprinkle for spots south and east of the city. Tonight, a stray shower is possible for the Hudson Valley and the Catskills. But look at tomorrow, dry, sunny, 73, near 80 degrees on Thursday. Heather?
And we have a commuter alert continuing in Elizabeth, New Jersey. As you go onto the New Jersey Turnpike car lanes north of exit 13A, we still have this accident, and this involves an overturned vehicle. This is literally right in front of Newark Airport. You can see all of that activity. Go with the truck lanes if you must use the New Jersey Turnpike, or you could go on routes 1 and 9 on the flip side of the airport. 287 northbound exit 3 accident investigation. That is in Edison, New Jersey. That's been out there for quite some time. It was a tractor trailer that was on fire, and that's been out there since about 1 o'clock this morning. Alternate side of the street parking rules are in effect. Shirley and Mike, over to you.
Thank you both. 540s have had a deficit with the rain, and that continues today. I mean, when is the next chance for measurable rain?
Only a small chance tonight, and even that is mainly north and east of the city. We really have to wait until potentially early Friday for more rain across the area, but the outlook really not great for the 7-day forecast. Currently, we are dry, partly to mostly cloudy, 54 in the city, winds near 2 miles per hour, and a wide range in numbers, the 30s, 40s, 40s and the 50s, at freezing in Morristown, below freezing in Toms River, 39 degrees in Belmar, and 52 degrees in Islip. Throughout this afternoon, temperatures will be a few degrees warmer compared to yesterday, more so the low to mid 60s for the Hudson Valley and Fairfield County, leaning towards the lower 60s. Dover 61 for you, Danbury 61, and 60 in Lewisboro. And this is the same area that could see a very light sprinkle this afternoon throughout the overnight hours, but any rain that manages to fall will likely stay below a tenth of an inch, maybe even a trace. Over the next few days, of fire danger on the lower side today because we'll have slightly higher humidity thanks to onshore flow. But tomorrow it ramps back up due to a stronger breeze and warmer temperatures in the 70s. The highest risk, that's on Halloween, because we'll see near record temperatures and stronger winds gusting out of the southwest up to 20 to 25 miles per hour. But for now, a quiet start, partly cloudy skies in the city, but more cloud cover for areas north and to the east. That is all near a stalled front, and that will eventually move north as a warm front, and that's why we have that opportunity for a very light sprinkle or shower this afternoon through tonight. Here's a look at the bigger picture, how it plays out on Futurecast. It's showing that sprinkle mainly for Suffolk County or Fairfield County, potentially down the Jersey Shore thanks to that warm front. And then tonight, disturbance moves through the tri-state, and that could squeeze out isolated rain primarily north of the city. Tomorrow, drying out, more sun, and then warming up, temperatures reaching the 70s. We'll have high pressure moving offshore. On the back side of this high pressure, get ready for strong southwest flow, pumping in that warmer air with highs near 80 degrees on Thursday. But Friday, a cold front that could bring us a shower or two Friday morning. I'm not expecting widespread rainfall, but we could see a shower around Friday afternoon, drying out. We remain mainly dry this weekend, and temperatures will fall closer to normal in the 50s and the 60s. A quick check in the tropics. We could have a tropical depression forming late this week in the Caribbean Sea, and we'll keep you updated on that. But today's 64, partly to mostly cloudy, a sprinkle possible south and east. Tonight, 57 with a shower possible north. And then tomorrow, 73, near 80 degrees on Halloween, and 72 with a morning shower on Friday. Heather?
And a commuter alert continues as you go through Newark, New Jersey, right in front of Newark Airport. New Jersey Turnpike car lanes north, exit 13A. Multi-vehicle accident. One of the vehicles is overturned. You want to hop in the truck lanes, or you can go onto routes 1 and 9 on the other side of the airport to avoid these delays. You can see all of this activity right here. Again, that's in the car lanes. Truck lanes are moving a lot better. Edison, New Jersey, 287 north, exit 3. There was a tractor-trailer fire. It happened at 1 o'clock this morning. Crews are still out there trying to get this cleared. 2 lanes are closed. The ramp to exit 3 is also shut down in Edison. Starting to pick up some volume inbound George Washington Bridge. Alternate side of the street parking rules are in effect. Mike and Shirlene, over to you.
All right, thanks so much.